Good morning, class. Today we were doing exercise 16.3 of circles. Have you all done your homework? I hope you must have done your homework. Now, a few questions are left in the exercise. Let us do those questions and then we finish this exercise as well as the chapter. But keep on doing your homework regularly, otherwise, your work will pile up and then it will be difficult because your exams are coming. So keep on doing the work regularly. Now look at question number 19, second part. Question number 19, second part. You are given a figure. Calculate the length and area of the shaded region in the given figure. So look at the figure carefully. You have to understand what kind of figure it is given and what shape it can be divided into, because it's not a normal circle, it's not a normal rectangle, so it's a combination of some shapes given. So you have to understand the shape well and then decide how we should divide the combined figure into the known figures, right? So that is our method of doing such questions. Now here this is given, it's a square surrounded by 4 semicircles. So the figure given is, it's a square surrounded by 4 semicircles like this. So a square surrounded by 4 semicircles. Now what values are given in the question? So if you notice, you are not given any value in the question, but you are given this length from this point to this point. The length is given 28 centimeter. So this is the only thing that is given in the question. The length from the top to the bottom is given 28 centimeter. Now let us find, now this area is shaded. So here this whole area is shaded. So to find the area of this shaded portion, the whole shaded portion, as well as the perimeter. Now perimeter, as you know, is the length of the boundary, total length of the boundary. Okay. So perimeter will be starting from one point, will go like this, then this will be covered, and then this. So if you add all these lengths, you will get the perimeter. And how will you get the area? Area you get if you get this area plus this area plus this area plus this area and plus this area. That means area of the square plus area of the 4 semicircles shown are given in the figure. Now to find whether the area of the square or area of semicircle, you need the dimensions, but no dimensions are given. So how to find those dimensions? That is your first task here, your first step here. Now look here, this is given from here till here 28. Now what is this length actually? So if I write this length, which is given 28 centimeter, is this length, and this length is the radius of semicircle. So look here carefully, this length is radius. Then what is this length? This length is the side of the square, as well as it is the diameter of the semicircle, because here also it is a semicircle, so it is the diameter of semicircle also, plus this length, which is again the radius. So this total length given is divided into radius plus diameter, that is twice the radius, plus radius again. So length given is 28 centimeter, and that length can be written as r plus diameter, that is 2r, plus radius again, and this is 28 centimeter. Then again a semicircle, then again a semicircle, and we come back to the original point. So 4 times you cover the semicircle. So actually it is 4 times length of your perimeter of semicircle. Semicircle is half of circle, this I told you. So you know circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Now since semicircle is half of it, so it will be 2 pi r upon 2. So simplify it. So it is 4 pi r. Put the value of pi, and r is 7. So you get 88 centimeter. So this is the first answer. The perimeter of the shaded region is 88 centimeter. Now next we have to find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region is equal to, now as I said, this whole area inside this whole figure is area square plus area of 4 semicircles. So that you can write area of square plus area of 4 semicircles. 4 semicircles. So I am writing in short, it is 4 semicircles. Area of square is side square, this you already know. You can write a square also. And 4 semicircles. So 4 into, now area of circle is pi r square. So area of circle will be divided by 2. Semicircle means half of it. So area of circle is pi r square, and area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So you can simplify it. Now how much is A? As I said, the side of the square is same as the diameter of the semicircle. So side of the square is same as diameter, that is 2r, and that is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeters. So this you can write the side, or you can mention here also. So a square means 14 into 14 plus 2, put the value of pi, and r also you can put here. Now you can simplify it. So this you get 196, and this, okay. So if you add the two areas, you get got it. You can note down. Look at question number 20 now. 20, question number 20, first part. Again you are given a figure. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. So just draw the figure and then see how to find the perimeter and area. So here, as you can see, it's a rectangle given and a semicircle is attached to it on the top. And semicircle is a smaller semicircle, it's not covering the whole length. Dimensions given here are 10.5 is the length of the rectangle. This is given 10.5. Then 4 is the width of the rectangle. This is given 3.5. Now look here, if this length is 10.5, so this is also the length of the rectangle, right? So this will also be 10.5. So this whole is 10.5 and out of that this is 3.5. So you can find the remaining length. So this remaining length, which is the diameter of the semicircle, you can calculate. This is 10.5, so the opposite side of the rectangle will be same as 10.5. So this will also be 10.5. And out of 10.5, this is 3.5, so the remaining length is the diameter. So you can write diameter of semicircle is 10.5 minus 3.5, that is 7 centimeter. So diameter was not given, so we found the diameter of the semicircle, and you know diameter is 2r is 7, so r equal to 7 by 2 or 3.5 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter and area of the shaded region. So perimeter, let us first find the perimeter of the shaded region. The perimeter of the shaded region is 10.5. You start from here, this point, 10.5 plus this length, which is 4, because this is 4, so this will also be 4, plus this semicircle, that is 2 pi r upon 2, plus this length 3.5, plus this length plus 4. Now you can add all together and place the value of r to find the total length. So it is coming the addition of this and this is coming 22. This will cancel. Pi is 22.7 and this is given 7. This is given 3.5. R is 3.5. So it is 22 plus 22 into 0.5 is 11. That is 33 centimeter. So we got the perimeter of the given figure. Now next we have to find the area. Area of the shaded portion. So area of shaded region is area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. This whole area plus this area of semicircle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth and area of semicircle you know pi r square upon 2. So just put the value. Length is 10.5, breadth is 4 and pi 22 by 7, r is 3.5 upon 2. So you can simplify it. So multiply and add, you get 10.5 into 4 is 42 and this when you multiply 11 5 is 55, 55 into 5.5 into 3.5 you get 19.5 and that you get as 62.5 centimeter square. So this way you get the area of the 61.5. You get the area of the shaded region and 33 centimeter you get the perimeter of the shaded region. Now, so whenever you get such figures which are combination of some figures, so you'll have to calculate like this. So with this question, this was question number 20 first part. This is question number 20 first part. Note down here 20 first part. So this is your classwork for today. Homework will be shared as usual in instructions and prepare this chapter. Maybe on the next time we have a revision test on the chapter. So prepare all the exercises of the chapter and prepare it well. Thank you.